Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back. Happy New Year guys. This year is our year of making the mark, breakthroughs, success in every area of our lives. So on the Morning Fresh cooking show, I made a new friend called Loretta, as you can see her, and on that show she cooked black soup. Guys, that soup was the bomb. I have never made it before, although I've heard about it, but I have never made it. And immediately I asked her for the recipe and I thought to try it out, although I made some mistakes, or to which I'm going to point out in the course of the video. But just stick around and enjoy this video. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for this black soup recipe. So the first thing you'll be doing, you rinse the banga and pour in a pot. Add water to cover the pot. Allow the banga nut to boil till the skin comes off easily from the shell. The next thing is to separate the seed from the skin. So you mash in a mortar while hot, and you can see the skin comes out easily. Separate the skin from the seed, and while doing this, be generous with water because you will need all of the nutrients from the cooked banga nuts or palm kernel. The next thing is to sieve out the chaff till the banga juice is clear. As you can see from the video, there is no chaff at all in my banga juice. The next, I'm adding fresh scent pepper, and what's going in next is my pre-boiled cow leg. You can use any other protein of choice, but this cow leg has the flavor it brings to the soup. Next is smoked Titus fish. This also has the flavor it brings to the soup, but you can use dried fish as well. Add some salt, some crayfish. Then in a blender, add properly washed bitter leaf. Make sure it is properly washed. If not, the soup might be very bitter. So scent leaf, and then uziza. So here's what I got after blending my vegetables. So this is where I actually got it wrong, and I only found out after I had made a video of me eating the meal, and I shared with one of my other Edo friend. I had already made mouth to her that, oh, I was going to make black soup, so she was eager to see the video. So when I sent it to her, she was like, big bae, oh, this is not black soup. So I'm like, okay, what did I do wrong? So what she said was the vegetables I was supposed to blend this smoothly. As you're seeing, it is not very smooth, so I was supposed to have made it smoother than this. So that was actually the mistake I made. Okay, so when you're doing yours, make sure you blend it. It should be smoother than this. So you give it a stir, and even though my black soup did not come out the way it was supposed to, I totally enjoyed it with family and friends. Even my sister stood on my neck for the recipe of this delicious soup. So how do you make your black soup? I'm open to learning. Share in the comment section. I'll be waiting to hear from you all. Cheers guys. See you in my next video, and ensure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching.